I purchased this home liter electric citrus juicer, and it can hold even up to 1.2 liters. How awesome is that? And this is perfect for lemons, tangerines, grapefruit, and of course, oranges too. And it also comes with 2 convenient juicer sizes. The smaller one is going to be for lemon, and if you want to do larger fruits, you just put this on top and it converts it for oranges and grapefruits. It also comes with this filter so the seeds aren't going to get into the juice, and it also has this topper to put on just to keep it from dust getting into the unit. They really thought of everything. And let's make some juice. So this is what it looks like, and we're going to put it on top of the base, and you just put it in at an angle, and then you twist to lock, just like that. And look what a nice design it is. It's in black and stainless steel. Then we're going to put this mesh on top, just like this. And then you're going to put your lemon one on top first. And how that does is you put it in and then rotate it and it locks into place. Then you're going to put in the top one for the oranges. And let's slice up some oranges now. And my husband and I, we have an orange tree, so we really love the taste of freshly juiced juice, and it just tastes so good. Okay, so juicy too. So it's so easy to use. All you have to do is put it on top of the machine and it's gonna already start. See, look at it go. When you're done, you just take it off and look how much it juiced. And then you do the next one. It's simple as that. Perfect. And as soon as you release the citrus, it stops. And as you notice, there's a light indicator right here telling you when it is in use. Last half. Perfect. And then all you have to do is take this off and then pour it in a cup. You just rotate it and twist it off. And look at that fresh juice. Beautiful. And now my favorite part is the sip. Nothing like fresh picked oranges. So that's how you use the home liter. It's also very easy to clean as well. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.